Block 1, take 3.
Hi, I'm Siddhant Moore. I'm the founder of Mad Over Marketing. I forgot everything else. Hi, I'm Siddhant Moore. I'm the founder of Mad Over Marketing, or as many call it, MOM. We've built an organic community of more than 2.5 million followers across social media platforms. Last year, we worked with more than 150 brands across 200 campaigns, including the likes of Zomato, Amazon, and Pepsi. I'm psyched to share everything that I've learned, tried, and tested over the years so you can get the most out of Instagram. I'll also walk you through what I wish I knew years ago, what an average day of a social media marketer should look like. You'll get some pointed hacks and actionable tips on how you can grow your brand's presence on Instagram. We'll look at how to create great content, build a follower base, gain massive reach, drive engagement, leverage influencers, and so much more that you can start with right away. The best part? You can do this without spending a single buck. Everything we talk about focuses on building reach organically. I'm not going to use words like holistic and comprehensive. Will there be a few bad jokes? Maybe. Will there be a few forced puns? Probably. But I'll try to keep it to a bare minimum. I swear. So, if you're a business owner, creator, artist, or any individual looking to build a rock-solid brand on Instagram, or a social media professional looking to drive results for your clients, or a hustler looking to pick up a hot new skill and earn money as a freelancer, this is the course for you. Every piece of content I share is backed and validated by years of building Mad Over Marketing. And I'll be talking about real tactics that got us where we are today. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with Chapter 1.